Hi, I'm Mark from Everything Summer Camp. I'm going to show you how to replace this piece of trim that runs the length of your trunk. These instructions will apply to this piece of trim on the lid, the one on the base, on the front of the trunk, or on the back of the trunk. To start with, we're going to loosen the two screws on this lid corner protector. We're then going to remove this clamp, and then we're going to completely remove the corner protector on this end of the trunk. Okay, so we'll loosen these two screws just about halfway. The screws in this clamp are going to come completely out. You're going to want to hang on to those screws as well as that clamp. Same thing with this clamp. Completely remove the screws and the clamp. Set all that to the side. And then last, we're going to remove this corner protector. And then that's going to give us the access that we need to remove that long piece of trim and replace it with the new one. So I'll put my new piece of trim on by sliding it underneath that corner protector at the far end. We'll grab this corner protector and reattach that. Just using those original screws. Go ahead and put those in. And as soon as that's on, your new piece of trim is locked down and not going anywhere. So we'll just put those clamps back in their original spots. You can take the first screw and just tighten it about halfway. With the second screw, you can completely tighten that one. Come back and tighten that first one. So now we have another clamp to put on. Completely tighten the second screw. Back to the first one to tighten that. The last thing we do is just tighten up that far corner protector, and we're done.